Hi everyone, in this video we're going to be reviewing the rules for multiplying and dividing integers. This is for our test review for Unit 1, our practice test. We're going to be looking at numbers 9 through 16 in this video. Let's start with reviewing the rules for multiplying and dividing integers. I'm just going to put them on this sticky note right here, okay? So when you have a positive number times a negative number, or if you have a negative number times a positive number, that is going to give you an answer that is negative. But if you have a positive number times a positive number, or a negative number times a negative number, that is always going to give you a positive. So yeah, just remember all these rules. There's this group going to negative and this group going to positive. So let's take a look at number 9. First of all, let's use our rule. We have a positive 9, which we know because there's no sign written, so we know it must be positive, times a negative 15. So it looks like we have a positive times a negative, so our answer is going to be, looks like it's going to be a negative answer. So I'm just going to go ahead and write my negative there. So that's taken care of. Now we just have to deal with 9 times 15. So how are we going to think through that? I might say 9 times 10 is 90. Just jot that down. And then 5 times 9 is 45. And then you add those together and you're going to get 135. So your answer is going to be negative 135. Okay, let's look at number 10. So here, I know it looks a little bit like a plus sign on the screen, but that is a divide by sign. So we have negative 30 divided by negative 6. Another way to write this, if you would like, is like this. So these mean the same exact thing. Looks like we have a negative divided by a negative, so our answer is going to be positive. And what is 30 divided by 6? It's going to be 5, because 5 times 6 is 30. Don't need a sign in front of it because we know it's positive, so we're good to go on that one. Let's look at number 11. We have negative 4 times negative 4. What's our rule? Negative times a negative equals what? Zoop, positive. Okay, great. So now we just need to think, what is 4 times 4? It's going to be 16. And then we're done with that one. Let's look at number 12. We have 27 divided by negative 3. Looking at our rules, we have a positive divided by a negative. So it looks like it's going to be a negative again. So let's go ahead and write our negative. Now let's think about the numbers. What is 27 divided by 3? It's going to be 9. Excellent. Okay, let's keep going. Number 13, we have another division problem. This time a negative divided by a negative. All right, students, what's that going to be? Is it going to be a negative answer or a positive answer? Positive. Good. Okay. So now we just think about the numbers. What is 44 divided by 11? That's going to give us 4. And there's our final answer. Okay, let's look at number 14. Another multiplication problem. We have negative 13 times 5. Let's think about signs. Negative times positive is going to give us a negative. Negative times a positive equals a negative. All right, so let's write our negative sign. Now we have 5 times 13. So you might think 5 times 10 is 50. And then add that to 5 times 3, which is 15. So 50 plus 15 gives us 65. Looks like negative 65 is our answer there. Let's look at number 15. Negative 4 times negative 12. Okay, what is a negative times a negative? If you're not sure, look down here. And it is going to give you a positive. So, great. We just need to know now, what is 4 times 12? 4 times 12 is 48. And that one is done. All right, now how about negative 112 divided by 8? First, let's look at the sign. We have a positive and we have a negative. So we're going to have to make it a negative answer. What is 112 divided by 8? Oh man, I don't know. Let's just put it down here. We can do it this style, right? So 8 goes into 11 one time. Copy the 8 down, subtract 32. 8 goes into 32 4 times. Okay, it looks like our answer is 14. So we're going to put it there, leave your negative in front of it, and you are done. I'm also going to be making videos for the things lower on the page, so just click on those if you'd like some help with them. Bye!